The sweet flavor of pineapple blended in coconut milk creates a refreshing and highly nutritious smoothie for the body. Join me, let me show you how I made this creamy pineapple coconut smoothie. Hi guys, I'm Joy. Welcome back to my channel. To make this pineapple coconut smoothie, I started by taking off the crown of the pineapple, after which I peeled the skin. I further sliced the pineapple into thin circles, after which I cut it into smaller chunks, then set aside. Next, I went ahead to crack the hard shell of the coconut using a kitchen rolling pin. You can choose to use a hammer or any hard tool of your choice. I further used a knife edge to remove the remaining shell from the coconut, after which I gave it a quick rinse to get rid of some particles. To achieve a clear coconut milk, I peeled the dark part of the coconut. You can choose to use a kitchen peeler for this. I actually used just little of the coconut because I'll be making coconut milk with this. After peeling, I further cut it into smaller chunks. To prepare the coconut milk, I transferred the coconut chunks into the blender, then added little warm water to it to aid the extraction process, then covered and blended till pureed. After blending, I strained the coconut puree through a fine sieve. You can alternatively use a cheesecloth as well. To make the pineapple coconut smoothie, I transferred half of the pineapple into the blender, after which I transferred the freshly prepared coconut milk and some plain yogurt as well, but you can choose to use a Greek yogurt or just add water if you don't want a dairy product. This fruit combination is actually rich in vitamins and minerals. It helps to boost the immune system, aid in the digestion process, regulate blood pressure, and also help to reduce the risk of cancer. You can choose to have it in the morning after a workout or probably in the evening. After blending, our rich creamy pineapple coconut smoothie is ready. Try and make some for your family today. Thank you very much for watching. Just before you go, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. See you all next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.